Hey guys, as you guys can see, my hair is blue. I ended up leaving the toner on too long. I'm going to take it out so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. It's still wet. I washed it again this morning with some clarifying shampoo, and yeah, the blue is still in there, mostly along my roots where I dyed it. If you guys ended up making this mistake on your hair like I did, please keep on watching, and I'm going to show you guys how we can fix this and go from blue to platinum blonde again. So yeah, I'm going to be making a bleach wash, and the ingredients required to do that are a clarifying shampoo, toner. I'm going to use a toner by Wella. It's a 20% volume. To use the Pravana Pure Light Powder Lightener Bleach. I'm going to use 1 scoop of this. Use equal parts of shampoo, powder, and toner. So yeah, I'm just going to dump this out into my little Pravana mixing bowl. I have a little dye brush too. I'm going to put some gloves on. So I'm going to spray my hair, dampen it up a little bit, make sure it's not super wet. Almost a full scoop, kind of like a half scoop of bleach in there. And then I'm going to put the Wella toner in, and I'm going to show you guys the amount that I've actually mixed in there. So yeah, this is not like how you would put, like when you bleach your hair, it's more gooey, but this is like really, see that? It's like falling off of the brush. So I think that's the consistency that I want. I'm going to look through my hair and see all of my little blue areas, and then I'm just going to get with it. I'm going to try to use the brush, but knowing myself and how messy I am, I'm going to probably end up just, I'm going to put this down here so I don't get it on my carpet. Yeah, knowing myself, I'm probably just going to end up, oh shit, I don't know how to focus. Damn it. Probably just going to use my gloves. So make sure you have your gloves on, and yeah, oh, okay, so let me start my timer. Set timer for 7 minutes.
Setting the timer. Your timer is set for 7 minutes.
Alright, wish me luck, guys. Stinks so bad. Yeah, this, oh shit, guys, I think it worked. Okay guys, so this is me with runny mascara right now, and I just rinsed out that bleach toner stuff, and as you guys can see, right now I currently have on the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. So I'm going to leave this in my hair for probably about 3 hours or so. I'm going to put a shampoo cap on because I feel like my hair is dripping everywhere. It's pretty gross. But yeah, that's going to soak in my hair, and then I'm going to retone my hair one last time. This is after it being washed and toned I'm not going to straighten my hair or do anything like that. I'm going to put in some braids so I can keep the heat off of it. Just because I've done so much to my hair. My scalp feels pretty good, so that's a plus. Yeah, shout out to Olaplex, but yep, this is my hair. I ended up fixing it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a like. And then I'll probably end up making more if people actually like me. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.